Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can repost, like, and even reply to someone's post on X. So select a post, and for instance it's this one. To like, you're just going to hit that like button. To repost, you're just going to do that and repost. You can even quote tweet it. For instance, I'm just going to type in, I have the folklore cardigan. Well, I sold it, but anyways, press post, and you can even reply it here as well if you'd like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.